Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about the Bosch Dishwasher E20 error code. But first, what does the Bosch Dishwasher E20 error code mean? The Bosch Dishwasher E20 error code means that your dishwasher has a problem with the circulation pump. The circulation pump pumps the water into the spray arm of the washer to wash the dishes. When the pump fails to work, it indicates that there is a problem somewhere in the drainage system that stops water from draining correctly. The following are some of the common causes of the Bosch Dishwasher E20 error code. Faulty circulation pump. The circulation pump could be damaged or have broken elements. This can be as a result of water getting into the electronic parts or a voltage surge in the mains. When this happens, the pump fails to function, displaying the E20 error code. A blocked filter. The filter could be blocked by solid objects or food particles. When the filter is blocked, it prevents water drainage from the washer. With a blocked filter, the circulation pump fails to function. Damaged or dirty water level sensor. The water level sensor controls the amount of water in the washer and is found at the bottom of the washer next to the filter. When the sensor is faulty or dirty, it doesn't measure the amount of water in the washer, causing the malfunction of the pump. Now, let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the Bosch Dishwasher E20 error code. Check the circulation pump. Follow these steps. Invert your machine and remove the base panel. You can take a picture of how it's connected, then disconnect the wires. Check whether there are damaged or broken elements and replace them. Reconnect the wires and fix the pump back. Clean the filter. Follow these steps. Open the bottom panel of the washer and remove the filter. Clean the filter gently with warm water and a soft brush at low pressure to avoid damaging it. Remove any solid particles and fix the filter back. Inspect the water level sensor. The water level sensor is just next to the filter at the bottom of the washer. Open the bottom panel of the washer and check if there's any food particles in the sensor and whether it's dirty. Clean it using a wet cloth and carefully dry it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.